In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs talk slower, whether you're using it for a presentation, voiceover, or storytelling. Adjusting the speech speed can greatly impact the way your audience perceives the information. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Once your browser is open and ready, the next step is to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. You have two options here. You can enter your email and password, or if your organization uses single sign-on, simply click on that option to log in seamlessly. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to set one up to move forward. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where you can craft and shape how your digital voice will sound. In this interface, you'll notice various options and settings to fine-tune your audio output, so make yourself familiar with the layout. As you'll see, the platform enables you to customize different characteristics of the generated speech, giving you great control over the final output. Next, direct your attention to the right sidebar within the text-to-speech section. This is essentially your control panel for audio customization. Here, you'll find a variety of tools, but for our purpose today, the focus is on the speed setting. Speed is crucial because adjusting it allows you to slow down the pace of the speech, making it easier to follow and absorb, which is particularly useful for detailed or complex content. To slow down the speech, locate the speed slider. It's a simple yet powerful tool. Just slide it to the left to decrease the speed. You can make small adjustments until you find the speed that best suits your needs. A slower speech rate can add clarity and help emphasize important points, so take your time in getting this just right. Once you've set the desired speed, it's time to click on the Generate Speech button. This action will process your settings and create audio files based on the text you've provided. After generating, go ahead and review the audio files. Listen carefully to ensure that the speed, tone, and clarity meet your expectations. It might take a few tries to get it perfect, and that's completely fine. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, choose either Download or Share to utilize your custom audio file. The download option allows you to save it directly to your device for offline use or further editing. Alternatively, the share option might be useful for directly sending the file to colleagues, clients, or friends. And there you have it. You've just learned how to make ElevenLabs talk slower, enhancing the way you deliver spoken content. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.